Hey, this is Paul, Inventor 3. So I'm going to try hooking this speaker up to our antenna just for the fun of it, see what happens. I might also try hooking this coil up. Okay, so the way I'm going to try to hook up this speaker, I'm going to put it way over here and connection. I'm gonna put one over here and the other one over here onto the same plate and see what happens, like a loop antenna. I will also try connecting it over here instead and see what happens. I would like to eliminate this whole box right now and replace it with just a speaker to see what happens, but I need to get this box. It's heavy and it's on this rubber mat on my roof, so it won't move, and that's what holds my antenna tight in the air. So until I really get something to connect right here into my roof, some kind of support, then I could experiment with easily connecting all different things onto the end of the antenna. But for right now, I'm going to try the speaker both ways like that, and let's see what happens. Oh, one more thing. At one point I'll try yelling into the speaker to see if that does anything either. I also want to add one more thing, one other experiment I'm going to be trying too, is adding a coil. Just a whole spool of wire that I have. And one end is just floating. The other end I'm just going to connect to this first plate up here and see what happens with that also. Give me more power! Give me more power! Give me more power! Give me more power! Yeah, I'm crazy. What I do for fun. Alright, so after all that, coil, speaker, even yelling into it, nothing has helped us to increase our energy here yet. But yet it was fun experiments. First of all, people ask me, am I trying to collect electrostatic electricity, atmospheric electricity, or are you collecting, RF energy? I think it's a combination of both. I've been working with free energy from air and collecting radiant energy for over 9 years now. So things I've been thinking about recently: large Teflon plates, a wire brush type of mat with many points in it. I've been looking into, for better collector, I've been looking into graphene coated aluminum foil. I might try that. It's quite expensive. I have 10 copper plates up there right now, and I ask myself, well, would 5 aluminum graphene coated plates be better than the 10 copper plates? Yeah, anyhow, there's a lot of math involved in that, but That's another thing I'm thinking about, doing something special with the wiring. Another idea what I'm working on here with these coils is I check the frequency on my antenna without any circuit or anything, just the antenna alone with the collector on there, and I get a frequency 245 kilohertz. So, and then lately I've been studying these recent videos from Dr. Stifler, and so I want to try incorporating some of his work in with what I'm doing here. And I'm trying to build a coil right now. All these coils are connected in series with each other. I'm trying to tune them to that same frequency, 245 kilohertz, make a coil to that frequency so we get things resonating. And then maybe transfer the energy through magnetic coupling instead of direct wiring.